Hello friends, you are watching Haryali Online. Today in Haryali Online, I'm going to share my activity with you because today I'm going to multiply this plant because it has germinated too much pups in this small container. So it's time to separate them and it's time to have so many planters. Other aglaonema plants have also generated their pups in their containers, so I will definitely separate all of them too. So it's time to check there where should I start my work. So first of all, I will have to take out the complete plant from its container and I will see the condition of its root. So you can see it is root bounded plant. From everywhere you can see the roots. When you see your plant has maintained this condition, so you have to definitely change the planter or you should separate some plants in it. So I'm going to separate some plants in it. Uncountable, not uncountable, but so many plants have been generated here. So these all are my new plants and I'm very happy with them. So very carefully I will separate them. You can use here your tool by which you can take out these all plants easily and safely. So the single plants I have left in this root bowl. While having this messy condition, I have got some plants. So I'm very happy that I have collected my aglaonema and I have more containers of aglaonema at my home. Not only aglaonema, not only the single variety of aglaonema, but also the Dieffenbachias too. So here I'm not going to change the soil media of this plant because soil media is very good. You can see its color. It is very perfect soil at this time too. So that's why I'm going to add some compost only in it. But before adding compost, I will clean the soil because I have cut the roots. I have pruned the roots. So lots of roots have been mixed into the soil media. Now I'm adding the compost into the soil media to make my soil media perfect and energetic for this plant. Do remember that here I have left only single stem in this container, so this compost amount is enough, and I'm not going to add bone meal and neem cake because my soil media is perfect and I keep adding these type of fertilizers in 15-20 days, so that's why at this moment no need to add any other thing. Here I will prune these roots because root ball is big in size, so it will not be adjusted properly in it. After pruning and after having this soil media, I have set this plant into the same planter and you can see it is again looking so beautiful with the single stem in this beautiful container. And these all are the new plants which I have got while this all activity. So I am going to have these more planters, more plant at my home. Aglaonema, in this you can see aglaonema silver king, aglaonema silver coin, Dieffenbachias and Chinese evergreen. So all these plants will be set in the soil media and garden compost only, and I am sure you must like this video. Keep watching my channel, be with me always, take the very best care of yourself. Thank you very much.